Are you tired of using harsh chemicals to clean your home? Do you want a more effective way to sanitize surfaces and eliminate 99.9% of bacteria? Have you been wondering which steam cleaner offers the best value for your money in 2025? If you answered yes to any of these questions, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through the 7 best steam cleaners on the market, ranked from good to absolutely outstanding. I've personally tested each of these models extensively in my home, and I'm excited to share my honest findings with you. 7. Beldray BL0701 TQN Handheld Steam Cleaner. Starting our countdown at number 7 is the Beldray L0701 TQN Handheld Steam Cleaner. This compact turquoise cleaner caught my eye with its affordable price point and promise of versatile cleaning. With 1,000 watts of steaming power and a 250 milliliter tank capacity, the Beldray offers about 10 minutes of continuous steam from a single fill, which is decent for quick cleaning tasks around the home. I tested this handheld steamer on various surfaces, including bathroom tiles, kitchen countertops, and even my car's upholstery. The Beldray does a reasonable job at loosening light dirt and grime, especially on smooth surfaces like mirrors and windows. The 4-meter power cord provides good reach, allowing me to clean without constantly switching outlets, which was a pleasant surprise for a budget model. The included accessories are fairly basic but functional. You get a measuring jug, funnel, flexible extension hose, 3 plastic round brushes, a mini mop head, and an angled nozzle. While these attachments help with versatility, I found the build quality to be somewhat lacking. After a few weeks of regular use, one of the plastic brushes started showing signs of wear, and the connection points didn't always feel secure during operation. Another issue I encountered was the steam pressure, which isn't as powerful as higher-end models. When tackling tougher cleaning jobs like baked-on grease or stubborn bathroom grime, I had to make multiple passes and apply more pressure than I would have liked. The steam output also tends to diminish as the water level decreases, resulting in inconsistent cleaning performance toward the end of the tank. 6. Bissell SteamShot Handheld Steam Cleaner. At number 6 on our list is the Bissell SteamShot, a popular handheld steam cleaner that's gained quite a following online. This compact unit packs 1,000 watts of power and promises to eliminate 99.9% of germs and bacteria without chemicals, an impressive claim that I was eager to test. When I first unboxed the SteamShot, I was pleased with its design and the variety of attachments included. The unit heats up quickly, taking only about 30 seconds to generate steam, which is convenient for those quick cleaning jobs. I put it to work in my bathroom first, targeting the grout lines between tiles and the faucet ring on my sink. The steam did help loosen the grime, but I found I needed to hold the trigger down continuously for 30 seconds to a minute before seeing results on tougher stains. The SteamShot comes with 8 different nozzle attachments, including scrub brushes and a fabric steamer attachment, making it versatile for different cleaning tasks. I particularly appreciated the extension hose, which allowed me to reach tight spaces like the area around my toilet seat and the buttons on my washer and dryer. The steam effectively loosened hidden grime that I didn't even know was there, and a quick wipe with a cloth left surfaces looking noticeably cleaner. However, I did encounter some limitations with the SteamShot. The water tank holds only 6.6 ounces, which translates to about 5 to 15 minutes of cleaning time, depending on how continuously you're using the steam. I found myself refilling the tank multiple times during a thorough bathroom cleaning session, which interrupted my workflow. 5. Handheld Steam Cleaner. Moving up to number 5, we have the GLOIL Handheld Steam Cleaner, which offers some notable improvements over our previous entries. This steam cleaner impressed me with its thoughtful design features, particularly its safety mechanism, a slider safety that prevents accidental activation, which is especially important if you have children in your home, as I do. When testing the GLOIL, I first noticed the swivel head design, which proved extremely useful for navigating around furniture and reaching awkward angles. The steam temperature ranges from 85 to 115 degrees Celsius, about 2 inches away from the head, providing effective cleaning power without being dangerously hot at the point of contact. This made it comfortable to use for extended cleaning sessions without worrying about accidental burns. The accessory kit that comes with the GLOIL is quite comprehensive. It includes a fill cup and funnel for easy water filling, an extension head, a flexible hose, 2 different brush heads for various cleaning tasks, a focus tip for grout and crevices, a flat cleaner with fabric attachment for upholstery, and a squeegee for windows and mirrors. I found this variety allowed me to tackle almost any cleaning challenge in my home, from sanitizing bathroom fixtures to refreshing fabric furniture. During my testing, I was particularly impressed with how the GLOIL handled my glass shower doors. Using the squeegee attachment, I was able to quickly remove soap scum and water spots that had been building up for weeks. The steam effectively loosened the residue, and the squeegee wiped it away cleanly without leaving streaks. Number 4. Vax Steam Fresh Combi. Coming in at number 4 is the Vax Steam Fresh Combi Classic, a versatile 2-in-1 steam cleaner that combines a steam mop with a detachable handheld unit. This design immediately caught my attention as it promised to address both floor cleaning and above-floor cleaning needs with a single device. When I first assembled the Vax Steam Fresh Combi, I was impressed by how intuitive the setup process was. The unit heats up in just 20 seconds, which is remarkably fast compared to many competitors. This quick startup time meant I could tackle spontaneous spills or cleaning tasks without the frustration of waiting around. During my testing, I found that a full tank provides about 15 minutes of continuous steam, which was sufficient for cleaning my kitchen and living room floors in one go. The standout feature of this model is undoubtedly its one-click detachable handheld unit. I found this transformation from floor mop to handheld cleaner to be seamless and incredibly convenient. While using it to clean my bathroom, I was able to start with the floor tiles and then quickly detach the handheld portion to tackle the sink, taps, and shower without missing a beat. The steam effectively cut through soap scum and lime scale that had been building up on my shower glass, leaving it sparkling clean with minimal effort. The 10-piece accessory kit that comes with the Vax Steam Fresh Combi includes specialized tools for different cleaning challenges. I was particularly impressed with the metal brush for tough grime, the window tool for streak-free glass cleaning, and the grout brush, which made restoring the white lines between my bathroom tiles surprisingly easy. Number 3. Dupray Neat Steam Cleaner. Taking the bronze medal position at number 3 is the Dupray Neat Steam Cleaner, a powerful canister-style steam cleaner that brings professional-grade cleaning power to home users. Its distinctive cube design immediately sets it apart from traditional steam mops and handheld units. My experience with the Dupray Neat began with filling its generous 40-ounce water tank, which is significantly larger than most competitors. While the initial heat-up time of 8 to 10 minutes is longer than some models, the payoff is extended cleaning time without refills. The unit signals readiness with a color-changing indicator light that shifts from orange to green when the steam reaches optimal temperature. This substantial water capacity allowed me to clean multiple rooms in my home without the interruption of refilling. The steam output from the Dupray Neat is nothing short of impressive. When I used it on my parents' guest bedroom furniture, the powerful steam effectively sanitized surfaces with minimal effort. The triangular tool with a microfiber bonnet proved perfect for cleaning wooden furniture, as it distributed steam evenly without saturating the surface. I noticed that water evaporated quickly from treated areas, leaving them dry within minutes, a huge advantage over traditional cleaning methods that can leave surfaces wet for extended periods. One aspect of the Dupray Neat that particularly impressed me was its versatility across different surfaces. I tested it on hardwood floors, tile, upholstery, mattresses, and even inside my oven. In each case, the steam effectively loosened dirt, grease, and grime without damaging the underlying material. 2. Bissell 2075A Powerfresh Slim Steam Mop. Securing the second spot on our list is the Bissell 2075A Powerfresh Slim Steam Mop. a versatile 3-in-1 cleaning system that combines the functionality of a steam mop, an extended reach cleaner, and a handheld steamer in one sleek package. The first thing that impressed me about the Powerfresh Slim was its rapid heating capability. In just 30 seconds, the onboard water heater brings 11.8 fluid ounces of water to beyond boiling temperature, allowing me to start cleaning almost immediately. This on-demand steam delivery system gives you complete control over how much steam to use, which I found particularly useful when switching between different surfaces that require varying levels of moisture. The Powerfresh Slim comes with an impressive array of 8 different cleaning tools, all neatly stored in a built-in compartment beneath the handle. During my testing, I found myself regularly reaching for the angle concentrator tool, flat scraper tool, and bristle brush, which together handled about 60% of my cleaning needs. The specialized tools like the tile grout brush and clothes steamer expanded the unit's functionality even further. I was able to restore the grout in my shower to its original white color after years of discoloration, and the clothes steamer quickly removed wrinkles from my curtains without having to take them down. What truly sets the Powerfresh Slim apart is its convertible design. With a simple detachment of the long shaft, it transforms from a floor steam mop to a handheld unit perfect for spot cleaning. This versatility came in handy when cleaning my bathroom. I started with the floor, then converted to handheld mode to clean the shower walls, sink, and toilet without missing a beat. 1. Polti Vaporetto Smart 100 Steamer. And now for our top pick. The Polti Vaporetto Smart 100 Steamer, a professional-grade cylinder steam cleaner that outperforms every other model on our list in terms of power, efficiency, and cleaning capability. From the moment I started using the Polti Vaporetto Smart 100, it was clear this was a different class of steam cleaner. The high-pressure boiler generates steam at an impressive 58 psi, creating powerful jets that penetrate deep into surfaces to lift dirt and kill 99.99% of viruses, germs, and bacteria. While it takes about 4 minutes to heat up initially, this slightly longer wait time is justified by the exceptional cleaning power it delivers. The stainless steel boiler ensures durability and consistent performance over time. What truly sets the Polti apart from every other steam cleaner I've tested is its unlimited autonomy feature. Unlike traditional steam cleaners, where you need to wait for the unit to cool down before refilling, the Polti's innovative design separates the steam generator from the water tank. This means you can refill the tank at any time without interrupting your cleaning session, a game changer for tackling larger homes or particularly dirty areas. During my testing, I was able to clean my entire 3-bedroom house from top to bottom without a single pause for refilling or cooling down. The VaporForce brush included with the Polti Vaporetto Smart 100 is another standout feature. Its large surface area allowed me to clean floors quickly and effectively while still reaching into corners and along baseboards with precision. Final thought. So there you have it, my comprehensive review of the 7 best steam cleaners of 2025. Whether you're looking for an affordable handheld unit for quick cleanups or a professional-grade system for whole house cleaning, there's a perfect steam cleaner for your needs on this list. Remember, investing in a quality steam cleaner not only provides more effective cleaning, but also reduces your reliance on chemical cleaners. Better for your family and the environment.